Hello YouTube, thanks for joining me for this quick battery drain test. This is going to be between the Honor Magic V5, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, iPhone 16 Pro Max, Honor GT Pro, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max and the Samsung Z Flip 7. We have all the battery capacities showing on the screen with their current operating systems. Okay, the first test is going to be an Antutu benchmark, and we're going to fast forward this test. Here we go. Okay, and at the end of that test, well, we're showing the Honor Magic V5 still showing 100%, and we see the Samsung Z Fold 7 at 94% after the test, the iPhone 16 Pro Max at 94% also, and we have the Honor GT Pro at 97%, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max also at 97%, and lastly we have the Samsung Z Flip 7 at 92%. Okay, let's go on to the next test, which will be Geekbench 6. And after the test, we see the Honor Magic V5 still claiming to be at 100%. Then we have the Samsung Fold 7 at 92%, iPhone 16 Pro Max at 92%, Honor GT Pro at 95%, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max 96%, and the Z Flip 7 at 91%. Okay, the next test, 3D Mark stress test. Okay, here are the scores for the 3D Mark stress test. We have the Honor Magic V5 with 91%, Z Fold 7 83%, 16 Pro Max 81%, Honor GT Pro 85%, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max with 86%, and finally the Z Flip 7 with 81%. Okay, now we're going to watch a YouTube clip of 4K 60 frames per second with HDR, and this test will last roughly 1.5 hours. I want to simulate the length of the average movie. Okay, let's go. Okay, and at the end of the YouTube test, we have the Honor Magic V5 with 76%, the Z Fold 7 with 68%, iPhone 16 Pro Max 66%, Honor GT Pro 74%, the Xiaomi at 76%, and the Z Flip 7 at 67%, which is more than the iPhone. And for the YouTube clip, I've opened up the fold phones because realistically you're going to be watching movies when it's unfolded. Now I must say all these phones have a 100% battery capacity, so you know they're all fairly new, so no battery degradation with any of them. Okay, I'm going to do one final test, and that's going to be the video camera 4K 60 frames per second recording for roughly 1 hour. Okay, that's 1 hour 4K 60 frames per second recording. Let's have a look at the scores. We have the Honor V5 at 52%, the Z Fold 7 at 45%, iPhone 16 Pro Max at 42%, Honor GT Pro 56%, the Xiaomi 60%, and the Z Flip7 at 51%. Now at this stage, I was getting daggers from family members who wanted their phones back, so this is where this test is gonna stop. Okay, thank you for watching. Join me in the next video.